and I volunteer with AccesSurf, something I absolutely love doing. But there's a few other things I like to do too, like this. Woodworking. And let me take you into my little woodworking shop. So here we are, my little tiny shop where I make generally smaller things. I have made larger items. It gets a little difficult though. So primarily what I focus on are things like bandsaw boxes and larger jewelry keepsake boxes, and even some jewelry boxes like this with little drawer pulls. Smaller items, wine holders or openers, stoppers. I'm primarily known though for the pans. I seem to do a lot of pans, and in fact, I have a customer order that I'm getting ready to start, so maybe that's what we'll do this little tutorial on, I suppose. And it will be one of the more complicated designs like this one, which does get quite complicated. But I love the challenge, and I love making it. He wants what we call a cigar type pan, so I'm going to use a kit like this, which is all the metal parts, and he wanted a darker curly koa. This is all koa wood, by the way, my favorite woods in the world, found only here in Hawai'i. Absolutely beautiful piece. I'll be cutting the blank out for this, and he also said that he wanted some blue, so I'm going to use a blue resin to mix in with the koa to make his pen. So with that, let's get started. Really hope you enjoyed this little video, and I look forward to seeing any and all of you out at the next AccesSurf event. Peace.